Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello Developers Hub. Today we will learn about installation of Flask and see introduction of Flask. So let's start. The first point of a Flex is a small framework. That's reason we call Flex as a micro framework. Flex has three main dependencies. The first one is the routing debugging and web server gateway interface WXGI subsystem that comes from Verjak. And second one is templates are provided by Jinja 2 like render templates. And third one is command line integrations come from Click. And these dependencies are authorized by Armin Rocher. He is also a author of Flags. And third and last point is Flags don't have any native supports of accessing database, validating web forms, authenticating users or other high level tasks. Means Flags have total dependency on some other extensions or packages. And let's start installations of Flags. For the installation of Flags, just type in your keyboard Windows plus R, and after this just type cmd. Go to command prompt and make sure that you have current version of Python. For the installation of Flags, or you only need to install Python. You don't need to anything to install. So just uh, install. So just install Python by P. I also give the link descriptions to installations of Python. I already have Python, so I am not installing of Python. And if you want to install Python, I give the links in descriptions. Go and check. And for check you have or not Python in your system, just type Python. I already have, that's reasons I am not installing, and I am checking a version of Python. Then just enter. I already have 3.7.04 versions, so I am not installing Python. Then one more things you need to install is Peep. Make sure that you have current version of Peep also. I- Let's check what version I have. Peep versions. Yes, I have a 21.0.1. I already updated my Peep versions. And after this, just type in on your CMD Peep in install Flags. Don't need to do other things, just type Peep install Flags, and just after this just click enter. For clarification, just type flags, flags versions. Here you can see that we have Python 3.7 OA4 and Flask 1.1.12 new versions and WorkJack 1.0.1. So we have successfully installed our Flask. So just checking. So just checking. I think we need to try one program of Hello World in Flask. So just go to code editor, VS Code code editor, and I am just creating one folder and go to desktop. Create whenever you want to open your folder. I'm just creating one folder in desktop. Flask. I already am just getting hello world. Okay. I already have created of introductions of hello world in Flask. So just go and check in I button. I already give the links in I button and just create a one script in under Flask directory like hello hello world dot py. I am not going so deep for all the points. I have already created and so deep on all the points I already created on this. I'm not going topics video, so check um, in my channels. I already give the links in I button, so just check it. And for checking our Flask packages, for just checking Flask package, just for checking Flask package, we are creating a hello world program. So just write from Flask code. Just open terminal in code editor. For run the code, just type Python name of the script hello world dot py. You have seen this type of output means you have successfully run your first program in Flask. Just go to this links or URL. Yes, you can see here our outputs of hello world. Hello world. So we successfully install our Flask and run our first program in Flask. So thank you. Please like and subscribe to the developers.